Welcome to day 14 of the 1K per day challenge, and this video is the analyzing and optimizing of the Mgid native ad campaign. So if you're looking for the Facebook or Google videos, they are above this one. First off, I want to just update you on the text broker article I have written, or getting written. Looks like it's been picked up and the author is currently writing it. It's going on about 2 days since I've submitted it, so hopefully that will come back hopefully today, but just wanted to update you on that. So here is the overall performance of the Mgid campaign. So it looks like it was started a run on March 8th, which was 2 days ago. Got 40 clicks that day, $2.08 total spent. Average click is about 5.2 cents. Right now, so this is this is average for the whole campaign. 144 clicks total, and if you hover over these notifications, they kind of tell you how to improve the campaign. So it looks like my CPC bid is not high enough, and that's just going to be related to the geographic area that I'm in, the device I'm targeting, and the category I'm running in. So it's based on competition that's already in there. So they really are telling me, like, bump your CPC if you want to get more clicks. Otherwise, you're just going to basically get like what we show here. Real quick, I'm going to go over to volume. There isn't a lot to talk about in here as of right now because, again, I had the opt-in boxes for this article turned off. In case you haven't watched any of the Facebook videos, as soon as I submitted my Facebook campaign, they immediately rejected it because they couldn't tell where I was sending people after they opted in, and that's really what they wanted to see. So I had to go in and just disable this pop-up from happening. I just turned off all of the opt-ins so that, and changed this to just my regular affiliate link so they could go through the link, see where I was sending people, and then they immediately approved it as soon as I submitted it for a review again. So I kept the opt-ins off for 3 days and just right now turned it back on about half hour ago. So hopefully we will start getting some leads showing up when this Mgid campaign, and they will show up as conversions in volume because I've got it set up as a conversion. So a conversion pixel will fire in a convert box when somebody opts in to this form. I've got an Mgid conversion pixel that will fire, and it'll show up right here. And then what we can do is go in here, and if you click on report, we'll be able to tell which widget, which is basically like a placement or a website, is sending the best leads or the best traffic. So if I hit apply here, we'll see, of these 102 people that have clicked my ad, these are all the different Mgid widgets that were sending the traffic. Looks like the majority of them are coming from this one here. And a lot of times, if it is one site that's sending a whole bunch of clicks, a lot of times it's the traffic quality isn't that low. Or the traffic quality is low just because it's somebody who's just trying to make money by getting clicks on their website, and the quality of the clicks aren't that good. But right now I can't tell that because I have no conversions or any way to tell, to judge the traffic on. So right now we don't have a lot to look at in volume. In Mgid though, what we can do is to optimize this campaign is to do what they're saying and to increase the CPC. They also said to create more ads. So I'm not going to create another ad yet because, like I said before, I'd like to get, it's a good idea to have a number of ads to begin with if you just don't know what's going to work. But, this is a pretty straightforward campaign. There's not a lot of competition in this niche. So I don't need to start with like 4 or 5 different ads. So what I can do, if I go to ads right here, they'll give me some more advice on basically what to adjust the CPC to. So you can see this is where I'm bidding, and it's like very low. And this is really what they're based on which one of these you pick, the traffic, the volume you get will increase. So even at 18 cents a click, it still says that the volume will be low, and 28 cents a click says medium. So for the sake of time, though, I'm going to be willing to pay more so that I can get more traffic. And the more you pay per click, the higher quality sites you can show your ads on. So if I'm only paying 5 cents a click, I'm going to get what's left over of the people that are paying the premium prices up here. They're paying these prices so they can be on the better quality websites. So and what that means is these native ads, the MGID native ads, are showing up on other on other people's websites, and when somebody clicks those ads, that website owner makes money, and MGID charges you that money. So the way it works is you want to be on the best quality or the best possible website as far as quality goes. You got to pay more money per click to get there. So I don't typically pay like these prices they seem very, very high to me for MGID, but I do know that I'm working in a niche here that this is a high quality niche, and these are high quality sites that I'm running on. So I'm gonna have to pay a premium if I want that high quality traffic. So what I'm gonna do is start at I'm gonna just start at 47 cents a click, and I can come down from there if I need to, because I don't really want to waste any more time trying to see if I'll get decent clicks here. I know that for 47 cents a click I should be getting really, really good traffic. So I'm going to change that. Alright, actually, hang on a second. This current cost per click, increase the cost per click in order to increase the level of reach. Yeah, I don't know why they're wording it. That's so weird to word it like that. So now current cost per click is, like it showed there, 47.3 cents. And that's really what, is going to be the main difference in me getting a bunch of traffic or not. So I want to obviously be able to get a bunch of traffic so I can show you guys how to analyze and optimize this stuff. So again, I went back today, reactivated these opt-in boxes. So that stuff, we should be getting some leads coming through on those, hopefully, and I will be able to report back with more data here on day 17, which is 3 days from now. So if you have any questions between now and then, you can leave them in the comment box below, or just shoot me an email, and I'll be happy to help. If not, I will see you tomorrow.